Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video I will show you how to write a program to check palindrome number. So what is palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number that is same after reverse. For example, 1 to 1. If we reverse this number, it will written same as 1 to 1. 3 4 5 4 3 3 4 3 131 are the example of palindrome numbers. To write this program, we will first take the input from the user, then we will hold that number in a temporary variable, then we will reverse that number and compare that number with the reverse number, and if it matches with the other number we will give a print message has palindrome number, or else we will write it is not a palindrome number. Let's see this in action. First we will take the input from the user. Let's suppose user write 151. If he click enter, it will say number is palindrome. Since you can see, if we reverse this and write 151, it is exactly the same. So let's see the requirement. So we need 4 variables of integer, then we will need one while loop, and this while loop will be used just to reverse that number, and then we will use if else condition to check if the number is equal. We will print it is a palindrome number, and if it is not equal we will print it is not palindrome number. First we will take 4 variable of integer. First is number, second is remainder, third is reverse, and the fourth is temp, which is temporary variable. Enter the number. This will be printed on the screen. As you can see, enter the number. Then we will take the input of the user using console.readline and convert that in integer and store it in number. Then we will store that number in a temporary variable which will be used in a while loop to reverse the number. Then we will add a while loop with a condition that the temp variable should be greater than 0. If temp variable will be 0, this condition will be false and this while loop will be stopped. Next we have remainder is equal to temp %sign 10. So this remainder is what we get when we divide temp with the number 10. So for example, if a user enter number 156 and if we divide 156 by 10, we will get 10. 10 multiplied by 15 is 150, and then we minus it, we will get 6. So our remainder will be 6. So this division, the 10 is called divisor and number 15 is called quotient, and the number 6 we get is a remainder. Alright, then we will use reverse variable which initial value is 0. We'll multiply it by 10 plus the remainder. So our initial value is 0, so if we multiply reverse with 0 we get 0 plus the remainder which we got 6. So our reverse value will become 6. Then we will divide the temp which was 156 by 10, so we will get 15.6, and it will not, since it is integer, so it will not take point, it will just store 15 in the temp. But you can also see the quotient here is also 15. So whenever we divide what user has entered, which is 156 by 10, it will also give the quotient and the remainder together. If you do this in calculator, you will get 156 divided by 10, you will get 15.6. so this 15 is the temp and this 6 will be the remainder always. So basically this is the formula which will reverse the number. So now our reverse number we get is 6, and then we get the temp 15. Then this loop will run again and it will check if 15, which was the temp value, is greater than 0. So it is true, so it will run again. Now this time it will be 15 divided by 10, so we will get 10 ones are 10 multiplied by 1 is 10, so the remainder will be 5 and the quotient will be 1. So our remainder is now 5. So first our reverse was 6, it will multiply by 10, so it will become 60. Then it is plus the remainder, so 60 plus remainder, it become 65. So our reverse is now 65. So next we will have temp. Temp is 15 divided by 10, so you can see the quotient is also 1, and if you divide 15 by 10, you will get 1, which is the quotient value, and 5, which is the remainder. Alright, so now our reverse is 65 and a temp is 1. So then this loop will run again, and temp, which is 1, is greater than 0, it is true, so this loop will come again. Now 10 temp is 1 divided by 10, so it is not possible, so it will be 10 multiplied by 0 is 0, so our remainder will be 1 and our quotient will be 0, so we get remainder 1, and our reverse value is 65 multiplied by 10, it gives us 650, plus 1 gives us 651. So as you can see, it is reversed. So now when you can see the quotient is 1, if we try this with the calculator also, so 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. 1 is the remainder and 0 is the quotient, so our temp will become 0. So then this loop will run again. Now temp is not greater than 0, it is equal to 0, so it is now false, so it will break the loop and get out of the while loop. So as you can see, using this while loop and this formula, we have successfully reversed the number. Our number was 156 and now it is 651, so our number is reversed. Now just we have to put an if condition and compare it. So our number was 156 and our reverse is 651. So as you can see, it is not equal, so this condition will be false and this will not be print. It will go to else and it will print this number. Number is not palindrome. So basically this while loop is the most important part of this program, because it will be used to reverse any number. So you can use this while loop and this method to reverse any number. So let's check our program one more time. So this time we will enter 156 and 1950s. Number is not palindrome. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.